Are you looking for the best electric scooter? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. G2 Max Electric Scooter. Enjoyed the soaring speed. With the maximum speed up to 35 miles per hour, it can easily cope with steep 30 degrees hillside. G2 Max Electric Scooter is equipped with 48 volts/20Ah high-capacity batteries, with a maximum load of 264 pounds, and a maximum range of 50 miles after 10 hours of single charge. G2 Max Electric Scooter adults are equipped with a 4-arm shock system and double disc brakes, which greatly reduce the impact from all kinds of difficult terrain. G2 Max uses 140mm disc brakes plus electric brake. The e-brake can shut down the engine power in an emergency, quickly control the speed, achieve short-distance emergency braking, guarantee your riding safety. More comfortable to watch, easy to control, with all the driving data, customizable electric scooter speed and cruise control. 3 driving modes, from novice to high-end gamer. Whether you want laid-back comfort or extreme wildness, all give you the fun you want. The G2 Max Electric Scooter has a 6-light system, 1 front headlight, 2 front auxiliary lights, 1 tail light, brake light and 2 turn warning lights. The lights flash as a reminder when turning and the tail light flashes as a reminder when braking. It not only illuminates your path at night and provides all-round safety. Number 2. Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter. The 500 watts electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour. High-capacity battery, 36 volts/11.6Ah. with a max travel range of up to 25.6 miles under specific conditions, and max load of 220 pounds. Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooters front and rear wheel equipped with 10-inch solid tires and rear dual shock absorbers provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. Hiboy e-scooter features the ultra-bright headlights with a range of up to 15 meters to enhance safety, and double braking system features a disc braking and e-ABS regenerative anti-lock braking. Hiboy e-scooter collapses for easy storage in car trunks and other compact spaces. Extra detachable scooter's seat is available for a more comfortable option. Seat not included. Simply connect Hiboy Electric Scooter's app to lock your scooter, to customize the scooter acceleration and braking responses. Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter equipped with more powerful performance. Become your best commuting or outdoor travel companion. 12-month or 6-month warranty for different parts. Please refer to the product details below. Number 3. Gotrax GXL V2 Series Electric Scooter. The Gotrax XR Ultra Commuting Scooter is very lightweight, only weighs 26.7 pounds, easy to carry. With a 1-step folding system, you can easily fold it within 3 seconds, easy to store in the garage, subway and bus etc. Designed with 8.5 inches inner hollow solid tires, can provide more cushion and tend to be lighter weight, making riding more comfortable. Inner honeycomb solid tires will not puncture and require no maintenance. High-capacity LG battery, 36 volts 6.8Ah with a maximum travel range of up to 16 miles under optimum conditions. Our smart battery management system ensures battery safety and extends the battery life. The adult electric scooter features a quiet nominal power 300 watts, max power 400 watts, motor, boasting a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a max load of 264 pounds, making it a perfect commuting scooter. The LED display shows current speed, speed modes, battery life, and headlight. The sports scooter also features a disc and e-ABS braking system for safe, responsive braking while at top speed. More safe to ride. Number 4. HXX6 Folding Electric Scooter. The HXX6 electric scooter is ultra lightweight and completely foldable, so you can pack it into X6 backpack for convenient travel. Featured foldability of HX6 scooter allows for effortless folding and handling. Just to be able to get this mini folding electric scooter to the train station, bus stop, shopping, one of the best commuter scooters in HX shop. The super quiet and powerful 250 watts brushless hub motor allows speeds of up to 25 km per hour under certain conditions. With the 36 volts 5.0R battery and the 250 watts motor, the HX6 scooter can really ride with power, go the distance. Electric scooter 15 miles per hour. X6 promises a range of up to 12 miles with a fully charged battery. Adjusting to a fun, healthy and active lifestyle has never been easier. Backpack electric scooter X6, a real space miracles compared to other foldable scooter for adults. 22 pounds weight, compact size. HX6 could be your perfect travel partner in downtown. Boosted range with a second battery, get to your destination worry-free. Easy to remove and replace HX6 scooter battery at short notice. X6 electric scooter is one of the best car alternative options you have for last mile vehicles. Number 5. JUESHUAI X700 electric scooter. The X700 electric scooter has 2600 watts powerful dual motor. It can ensure that it has a maximum speed of 75 km per hour opening parenthesis 45 miles per hour closing parenthesis. And this also makes it a 45 degrees climbing ability, which makes you no longer afraid of slopes. Are you ready to use it? The battery of the scooter is 60 volts 20Ah lithium battery, which is composed of 18,650 electric cells. It can ensure safety and 60 km long distance driving. X700 electric scooter uses double shock absorbers, which adds more comfort and safety than single shock absorbers, and makes your journey no longer bumpy. Unlike other electric scooters, X700 uses intelligent remote control to unlock. One button start, remote lock, unlock, loudly alarm. LCD instrument can help you know the status of electric scooter at any time. Single and dual drive conversion function, to meet your various needs. 3 speed modes, control the speed of the scooter at any time.